we have come to this autocorrect option now, but there is a much simpler way of doing even this particular thing. If you see here, we have not given the to address, we have not given. So let's do one thing. We will write here to and then leave it, the address. Now what we can do, how many of you know what is meant by a template? Can somebody respond to me, please? Template.
Formatter.
And a template, how many of you have been using a template? Word template, your own template, has anybody used?
Templates will be used in PowerPoint.
Sir, template can be used in PowerPoint, can be used in Excel, can be used in Word also, everywhere.
Probably we used to have it in PowerPoint.
Okay. Anyone else? Because I'm not, I'm in the screen sharing mode, I'm not able to see the participants. That is one lacuna which I have. But you have used template anytime?
Evening, I use it.
Please tell me.
I use it for all my mails where I'll get a standard template of. Once I start a new mail, I'll have a standard template so that I can complete only the subject matter. All my signatures and connotations are already coming in front already.
Okay, sir. That you do in the Word application or in the email applications?
In the email application, there is just like what you have done. We can have standard in an email where that once I compose a new mail, it will come automatically as a standard.
Yeah, that is available in the mail, sir. I am asking in the Word, when you are working, whether you are able to use the template function of Word. Okay.
Generally,
Sir,
my people use it for reports.
Okay.
So
Sir, what we will do?
Letters.
What we will do? We will now. All of you must have been seeing whenever we are trying to use of save as. Save as. Okay. Here what happens? We have this particular place, save as Word document, then there is a drop down menu. Because many times we only use the document option. So suppose I do the drop down now. What all I have when I do the drop down, we have so many options in the Word. Hundreds of options are there. Please see this. So one of the option, if you really look at it, look at this particular option, which is called document Word template. This one, this DOTX. This is what it says. Am I right? So when I'm going to save this document, what I have prepared, I will save it as DOTX format. And have a look at it. The moment I made it as DOTX format, it has gone to its own default customs office templates. This is where it is supposed to save. It will not save in your default directory. It will save in this one. Now we will call this template as AM. Okay. Then I am now saved. Now what I will do, I will go and open first of all, let me close this. Now I will go new, and I want to open new. Now you normally open a blank document. We will not do that. We will go and open. These are all the templates available. We will go and open here. What is available? There is one AVM is available now. So I have got, these are all the previous templates which I have prepared and kept. Now AVM, I will double click. The moment I double click AVM, this is now available to me. Was it clear? A complete template can be, you can create one letter, whatever it is, and then make it as a template. So when you are going to open from template, it will open this. Now you can save it in whatever name you want. You can save it in whatever name you want. I will again redo it. So we went to file, we went to new, we didn't go for new. These are all the templates available. In my laptop, there are a lot of templates. We will come to this templates. Now, since we created this template, so I double click, everything comes to me immediately. So if it is a 7-page letter, a repeated letter, where I am supposed to do a copy paste from somewhere or only change something, I don't open 2 files to do all these things. In a single file, I keep it as a template and then I do. You can create as many templates as you want, and then you will be able to use everything very, very effectively. So this is another option which Excel gives to create your own template. Like we have done as Satyanarayana Garu was telling, that we create a template for our email. Here also the same thing is possible easily. Yes. Any reflection on this, please? Anything? Anyone would like to say anything on this, please? Or any doubts? Am I audible?
Prepare like this for our audit report,
Yes.
so we can give this in future.
Sir, you can definitely do that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anyone else has any reflection on this, please?